Hello, my name is Davis, and through this tutorial I would like to show you our cloud readiness tool. So it's essentially a form with a series of questions that scopes the various aspects of our application. So this is the form where we say it's our migration assessment framework, and of course this is very extensible. Let's say the application is maybe a part of LinkedIn API, one of the components of the LinkedIn application. Name is Davis, and I'll put my email ID. So I just hit next, and yep. So does the application currently run with specialized hardware? Let's assume it does. This is very unlikely. 64, so I would say no here. This is the compute component. This is the network component. Does the application require IPv6? Does it require multicast? No. Does the user require VPN to come in? Yes, let's say yes. Imagine instead of LinkedIn, it could be LinkedIn's, the credit, their billing service. So yes. Does the workload have more right transaction? In this case, yes. So since it's like a financial aspect of the LinkedIn application, so is a number of yes. Do you need a SAN or NAS storage? Yes. So this is the storage component, and now the overall application, let's say it's entire and it's kind of distributed. It has a queuing strategy. Is it tightly coupled? No. Does the application have latency requirements lesser than 10 between the API calls? And so yes. So these are hard constraints. It has FedRAMP, HIPAA, ISO. Let's say it has PCI DSS because we are looking at a billing component of the LinkedIn application. Yes, it does. And finally, I do submit it. Now I should, let's know the time. It's 8:50. So I should have received an email. Okay. This is, yeah. As you can see, I received an application just right now, 8:50. So this is the overall results. This is not a cloud ready application. This is primarily because of the compute component, where I only scored 10 out of the total of 20, where I said it requires specialized hardware and non-x86 architecture. So security also, I did not score any amount because of the hard restrictions that I had imposed because of the border control, and because the cloud works on multiple regions, and I stated, hey, it has certain policies that govern data transfer over borders. So this is the automated response, and finally whatever I had stated, it gets put in a sheet over here. As you can see, this is the thing, and what I did is essentially attached to this sheet is app script, and this is essentially the app script, where this is the main code where I statically enter the score as well as the answers, and it's a basic if else condition, and I send all those information to the email code, and the email bases the template out of this, and of course there can be a lot of feature additions. There could be charts. All of these features could be added onto the template and the email service. And of course, again, we could introduce more learning and through certain TensorFlow APIs so this of course is a very minimalistic, simplistic version of our approach to creating a cloud migration assessment framework. Thank you.